It's an easy crochet striped blanket pattern. It's just small sample. The width is 19.5 centimeters. The height is 8.5 centimeters. 30 stitches, 14 rows. So if you want a 1 meter by 1 meter blanket, there should be 160 stitches, 160 rows. We use 5-ply milk cotton and 3.5 millimeters hook. Let's start now. First, make a knot. Next, make chains as the foundation. Here we make 31 chains. We get 31 chains. Back to the second loop. Make a single crochet. It's the first stitch of the first row. Mark it. Repeat like that to the end. Here's the last stitch. Hide the tail through these loops. Chain one more. Turn the work. First, make a single crochet. That's the first stitch. From next stitch, we make special single crochet. Insert into the first stitch, pull the loop. Insert into the second stitch, pull the loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull yarn through all these loops. That's one special single crochet. Repeat to make the second special stitch. Repeat like that to the end. The last stitch of the second row. Next, we will use green yarn. Turn the work. A single crochet first. That's the first stitch of the third row. Next, special single crochet. That's the last stitch of the third row. Chain 1 and turn the work. Next, the fourth row. The first is single crochet. Next, special single crochet. That's the last stitch. Here, we change color. Chain with the pink yarn. Turn the work. Next is the fifth row. Every row is same. Alter color every 2 rows. Here we get 14 rows. Fasten of the pink yarn. Pull the green yarn from the corner. Chain 1. Make a single crochet. Make single crochet stitches like that around the 4 edges. Here is one corner. It's a little different. 2 stitches into the corner. Here's the ending. It's a traceless ending. Here we get this small sample. Its size is about 19.5 asterisk 8.5 centimeters. The yarn is 5-ply yarn, 3/5 hook. If you want to crochet a blanket, you can calculate how many stitches per row and how many rows. According to these informations. Thanks for your company.